Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have an amazing tutorial for you, how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the Armod VPN app for a secure web connection. If you're looking for a reliable way to browse safely and bypass restrictions, this video is for you. Before we start, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of our future updates. Now, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and in the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit enter. Look for the official UDP Custom website in the search results and click on it. This is where we'll be creating our V2Ray Slow DNS server. Once you're on the UDP Custom homepage, locate the menu button. It's usually at the top corner of the screen. Click on it and a list of options will appear. From this menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server that supports slow DNS for a more stable and secure connection. Next, you'll be directed to the server location selection page. Choose a server location that's closest to you for better speed and performance. After selecting your preferred location, you'll be redirected to the account creation page. Here, simply enter a username, complete the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. Within seconds, your server details will be generated. Copy the V2Ray VMess server details and save them for later use. Now let's move on to setting up the V2Ray VMess server on the Armod VPN app. First, make sure you have the latest version of the Armod VPN app installed. If you don't have it yet, head over to the Google Play Store, search for Armod VPN, and install it. Once the app is installed, open it and you'll land on the home screen. Now follow these steps. 1. Tap the three dots in the top corner to open the menu. 2. Select the clipboard button. This will automatically import the V2Ray VMess server details you copied earlier. 3. Once the server details are imported, simply tap the play button to connect. And there you have it. You've successfully connected your V2Ray VMess server on Armod VPN for a fast and secure browsing experience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with others. Stay tuned for more amazing VPN tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.